Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle you couldn't break? What if quitting a habit you've struggled with for years could be easier than you ever imagined? What if the solution wasn't about willpower, but about changing the way you see it entirely? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share might just change everything for you. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but after a decade of being hooked on bad habits, crying to friends, and even signing up for a 12-step program, I finally quit fapping overnight. And here's the crazy part. It happened without any withdrawal symptoms, pain, or excuses. It's only gotten easier since. If you truly want to quit and feel free from fapping, I need you to promise me one thing. Look up the book called The Easy Peasy Method. Read it with an open mind and follow the steps it outlines. I'm not trying to push you into a cult or sell you anything. I don't even know who wrote the book, but it works because it changes how you see quitting. This book helped me realize what quitting really is. It's simple with no downsides. Reading it felt like taking off blurry glasses and finally seeing everything clearly. The real struggle isn't the withdrawal. It's the brainwashing that keeps you stuck. Read this book and I promise you'll see the truth. It worked for me and it can work for you too. That's it.